Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to create a cool, colorful smoke cursor effect using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This effect will create a smooth, fading color smoke trail that follows your mouse movements, adding a stylish touch to your website. It's beginner-friendly and a great way to learn about DOM manipulation, animations, and event listeners in JavaScript. So, without wasting any time, let's start coding. But before we dive into this amazing tutorial, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. We have a basic HTML structure. The body tag is the main container for the web page content. We have a div with ID smoke. This is an empty div which will be styled and animated using CSS and JavaScript to create a smoke effect. Now that we've gone over the HTML structure, let's take a look at the CSS where we add all the styling. Start with universal selector, margin, 0, padding, 0. Box sizing, border box, removes default margins and paddings from all elements, ensures that padding and borders don't affect element sizes. Let's take a look at the body styling. Min height 100 VH ensures the page takes at least the full height of the viewport. Background, sets a dark background good for a smoky effect. Overflow, hidden, prevents scrolling and keeps effects contained within the viewport. Now we move on smoke container. Position, fixed, keeps the smoke effect fixed to the screen. Top, 0, left, 0, positions it at the top left corner. Height, 100%. Width, 100%, makes it cover the entire screen. Pointer events, none, ensures that smoke doesn't interfere with user interactions, for example, clicks. Now we move on HTML page. Create a script tag. Inside the script tag, first, we start by ensuring our JavaScript runs only after the HTML content has fully loaded. To do this, we use the DOM content loaded event. Document.addEventListener. DOM content loaded. This ensures that the DOM is fully ready before the script interacts with any elements. Next, we need to grab the container where all the smoke particles will appear. We use getElementById to select the element with the ID smoke. After that, we define a helper function called getRandomColor. This function randomly selects a color from an array of predefined colors, const colors. I had already write some colors code in Notepad, so I copy and paste them here. Return colors, math.floor, math.randomcolors.length. This will give each smoke particle a unique and colorful appearance. Now we move on to the main function, createSmoke, which is responsible for creating the smoke trail effect. Let me explain step by step. Create a new element. First, we create a new div element and assign it the class elim. Let elimDocument create element div. elimClassList add elim. Position the element. Next, we position the element exactly where the mouse pointer is by using eClientX and eClientY elimStyle left eClientX px. elimStyle top eClientY px. Add a gradient background. After that, we add a radial gradient background to make the particle look like a smooth, fading circle. elimStyle background radial gradient circle. getRandomColor 0%. RGBA 0, 0, 0, 0, 80%. Then, we add this newly created particle to the smoke container. Smoke app and child elim. Finally, we use setTimeout to remove the particle after 1.2 seconds to avoid overcrowding the screen. setTimeout. remove. 1200. After setting up the createSmoke function, we need to listen for the mousemove event on the document. Every time the mouse moves, the createSmoke function is called to generate a smoke particle. Document add event listener mousemove, createSmoke. This is what makes the smoke trail follow the cursor smoothly. Now we move again on CSS structure. Styling each smoke puff elim. Position, absolute, places the smoke puff at the exact mouse position. Height, 10 pixel, and width, 10 pixel. Starts as a small circle. Background, radial gradient. Circle. RGBA 255, 255, 255, 1, 0%, RGBA 0, 0, 0, 0, 80%. Creates a white center that fades to transparent. Pointer events, none, ensures the smoke doesn't block interactions. Animation, animate 1 second ease out forwards, runs the animate keyframes for 1 second. Ease out makes the movement start fast and slow down smoothly. Forwards keeps the final state fully faded after animation ends. It keyframes animate. 0%, transform, scale. 1, translate, Y, 0. Opacity, 1, 100%, transform, scale, 10, translate Y minus 10 pixel. Opacity, 0. At 0%, start of animation. The animation is not working because I wrote animation instead of animate in the keyframes property. I need to replace animation with animate. And that's it. You've successfully created a cool smoke cursor effect using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is a great project to practice DOM manipulation and CSS animations. You can experiment with different colors, animation speeds, or even add different shapes. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.